apply. Oh, this came off. I'm trying to operate this new tripod that I got, but I still haven't figured this out. Anyway, I'll just put this aside because the camera is rolling, and I have one question for you. Are you ready to get ready with me? If so, let's do it. Hence to the new tripod, we have a new setup, we have a new background. I'm in the bedroom and I'm going to do a little unboxing with you. Remember last week that I showed you scenes from my event from La MER at Harrods? Voila, this is my purchase and I'm going to unbox it with you. And actually I'm going to do my skincare with you because I've just washed my face. I don't have anything on. I look a little bit pale and I think I do need a little bit of love. Okay, you can see me. Now let's sit comfortably and let's enjoy this. Voila, is this too tall? I don't know. Shall I bring it down? Maybe. Come down, come down, come down. I think, yes, I think it is a little bit better now. Voila, here is my La MER purchase, boxed in a beautiful La MER bag with some ribbon. And first I'll show you the little goodies that I received as a gift for attending the discussion at Harrods and purchasing a product on the day. So how the deal works is you buy your tickets, you attend the event, and then as long as you buy something on the day from the counter, you get your tickets money back upon purchasing whatever you want. So the gift that I received was placed in this cute little travel makeup bag. I really like this pistachio color. I mean, it is the La MER signature color after all. It's small, so it's not that big, and you can put it in your bag or you can have it with you when traveling. And inside it has 3 products I'm going to show you. So they're all, of course, travel sizes, but I think they're quite generous. First we have 3 ml of the Eye Balm Intense that actually I'm gonna apply a little bit now. I've had this eye balm before. It is beautiful. It wouldn't be my #1 purchase from the brand because I would invest my money on a face cream first rather than the eye cream, if this makes sense. So I'll apply just a tiny amount. This is, I don't know if you can see how it looks. Signature La MER fragrance always. And when you buy the eye cream, it comes with a really nice roll-on gadget that it helps you to apply the product around the delicate eye area. So beautiful and soothing. Voila, amazing, love it. I'm surely gonna use it. I mean, I'm gonna use all the products, I love them. Second product, we have the treatment lotion. The treatment lotion is to die for, and the size that I was given, so generous, right? I've had this in the past, I've run out, so this came at really good timing. And a little trick that I've learned from a La MER ambassador at, I think at the Harvey Nicks, I had been there for a little pampering session, is always apply your lotion with your hands, with your fingers, so you make the most out of the product, you don't waste any product. And to be honest with you, for the price that you're paying these products, you don't want to waste any product. At least that's how I see it. Okay, I mean, it is quite, it's wide open over there, so I'll just gently take a little bit and I just apply it now for the purpose of this video. Otherwise you can do that in the bathroom, but I'm scared to do it like that on the bed because we might have a little accident. So again, oh, the lotion smells so good. I mean, I didn't apply it everywhere, to be honest with you, but that's fine. Beautiful smell, and my skin absorbs it straight away. My skin feels so thirsty for it, and I don't blame you, skin. And the last product that I got was the new moisturizing soft cream. So the discussion that I attended was all about gut health and also the launch of this cream. I am not going to open this because I already have the cream. I had purchased a small pot myself. I want to show you the formula, if you can see, of course, the consistency. I mean, you can barely see, but it is what it says. It is super, super, super soft. I'll just apply. Oh, this came off. Okay, little accident while filming for YouTube. I love it. Oh my god. Signature La MER smell. Probably I've said that a million times because I am in love with this smell. There are some people who don't like their skincare to have any fragrance at all. I'm not one of these people. I don't like any smell. I do like the La MER smell. Again, it gets absorbed from my skin so quickly. And this one, because of its texture, you don't have to warm it up between your fingers. If you have the other cream, the Rich Formula 1, the moisturizing signature cream, then I'm sure some of you that have purchased the product know, but if you don't know, if you haven't purchased the product before, because it is so thick, in order for everything that it has inside to be activated, you need to warm it up between your fingertips and then just do this, tap, 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 and apply everywhere. So these were my little gifts. I appreciate these gifts. Thank you so much, La MER. And I'm going to show you what I purchased. I was going to buy it at the airport, to be honest with you, because I had spotted this gift set, which is really, really good value for money. But because I attended the event, I purchased it from Harrods. So voila is the Crème de la Mer Duet, the signature cream, my favorite. I do love the soft one, but it's just I like the richness of this one, and yeah, I couldn't buy both in all honesty. I would love to because this one is nice to wear it in autumn when it is quite cold, and the softer formula is better for spring, summer. But yeah, I couldn't buy every single formula that I'm in love with, so this will do for now, Helen, and I'm super happy about it. I really like, so it comes with a little gift. So the value, I think, of the 60 ml cream is £275, and then you get a little gift, the small pot, which is 15 ml. 15 ml can go a long way, by the way. And you pay, instead of £275, you pay £285, so £10 just for the small pot, when actually it retails for a lot more than £10. I really like the little blue box that it comes in. It looks so sleek, so sophisticated, and if you take the products out, you can use it as a little jewelry box. I'm gonna show you. So the products, I mean, you know what to expect. It's these two products, my favorite creams. So if I take them out gently, you can see this is the box you're left with. So there's plenty of space. I'm gonna use it for a jewelry box. I don't have a jewelry box, and at the moment I just have all of my jewelry in their own individual boxes scattered. So of course this one will not fit all of my jewelry, but it will fit a few, and I'm super happy about this. Voila, so this was my little unboxing. Let me know if you have tried the cream and what are your thoughts. I am a huge La Mer fan, by the way. I've been using the products for years now, and of course these were the only products. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this before. These were the only products, or maybe on my Instagram, sorry, I confuse the platforms. The product that I use for my wedding skin preparation, and my skin felt so good on that day, but this was not a surprise because I've been using them for a very long time. I'm going to quickly show you what I'm wearing today. Actually, I look at myself on the screen and I look too pale, so I'm going to apply my lip balm for a little bit of color. This is from Ultra Violet or Violet, I'm not sure. It comes with SPF. I bought this from Space NK, but now we do have this brand at Harrods as well. And what I love about it, it's very hydrating. The color is not too much. This is the Rose or Rosé, and it does have SPF 50, super important for the delicate lip area. And of course I applied all the lotions, the potions, the creams. Never forget your sunscreen. I don't have sunscreen from La Mer, actually. I don't know if they do sunscreen, but my signature sunscreen is from La Roche-Posay again. I've been using this for years. If I like something, I don't tend to change it. But I have to say, this is the latest formula. It's the one, if you have tried it, you'll know, it's the one that it is a little bit yellow. So I'm not happy with the yellowness of the product. The texture before, the formula before this was white. There was no yellow. It feels the same on the skin, but even though I always try to apply it as smoothly and thoroughly as I can, sometimes Kay looks at me and he says, "Oh, you have a yellow spot there." I mean, I have not seen it. Not that I check myself on the mirror too often, but he has said it a few times, which makes me think that it is definitely from the sunscreen, because I barely wear any makeup or anything else on my face other than the things, the products that I've just showed you. So this is the little thing that I don't like about this sunscreen, but because the formula and the smell is the same, it hasn't changed. I just keep buying it. Actually, I have a brand new bottle in my cupboard as well. Yeah, I don't know if I will ever change my sunscreen. As I said, if I like something, even if it comes with some shortcomings along the way, I'm very loyal. So SPF everywhere. I don't know what I will do with my hair. Probably I'll just put it up in a hair club. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing, and I'm going out for some shopping, a little browse around, and just enjoy the weather. It's one sunny day up there. In my attempt to take my phone out of the new tripod, I just destroyed my my nail. I thought I made such a good effort today to do my nails, but anyway, this is gonna stay as it is. And this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing my straight leg jeans from COS with my Birkenstocks, Falke socks as always. This cashmere top, I believe, is from Whistles. I'm wearing my Misoma necklace, pearl earrings, my usual jewelry. And what I wanted to wear was this actually turtleneck. Let me show you. I wanted to wear this turtleneck from Uniqlo, which I purchased just before Christmas. I loved it. It was such a good price and everything, but I washed it. Gentle wash, mind you, but it shrunk. So this is super short now and super tight. So what I will do, I cannot wear it as a top in all honesty. I'll wear it as a scarf. Let me just try it on and I'll show you. So this is how it looks with the top on. Super short at the back, you can see, but I have quite folded it over here. And of course I'm gonna wear my coat in a minute, and I'll just put it on top of the coat. But I just wanted to show you. So even if you destroy something like me, hopefully not, just there's always a way around it, and that's what I will do, because this is no longer wearable as a top. Voila.